Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on Tesla. For that, you just have to simply follow these steps. So the parental controls enables you to limit the capabilities of the Model 3 and ensure that safety settings are enabled and cannot be changed. So when you enable the require safety features, Model 3 enables or configures the vehicle settings. So in order to enable the parental control with your vehicle in park, you need to touch the controls. Then you just have to go to the safety. In the safety, you will be able to see the parental control option. So you just have to simply use that. After that, enable or configure the parental controls that you want to use. You can limit the speed, you can reduce the acceleration, require safety features, and send curfew notifications. After that, you just have to simply touch the confirm button and enter your pin and you are done. So this way you can easily put the parental control on Tesla. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then do let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching.